You heard that right. It's the first of the month and I am in desperate need of a reset, October reset. I just got done with a workout. I have this beautiful matcha latte for energy and let's get it. I do have a big list of things to do today, so we'll cross that off as we go, and we're gonna be doing cleaning, organizing, self-care, laundry, just even goal planning too. All of this stuff just to really get us ready for the month of October. All right, I'm gonna start with my room. Let's go. Okay, I just cleaned my boyfriend's side of the room and I didn't film it just because like it's his stuff, you know, but it's looking pretty good on this side of the room. On my bed, not so much. Also, what is going on with that? Okay, my room is clean, which feels really good. My sheets are washed. I have some laundry finishing up right now. Now we are gonna clean this bathroom. All right, it is 2 p.m. We are finally done with all of the cleaning, so let's go do some self-care. Okay, we're gonna do some self-care now, but we need to pause for a second and talk about my hair because something is wrong. I just washed my hair on Friday and it is now Monday and it doesn't usually behave like this. So we're oily up top and look at this. What the actual... Now you guys know having long and healthy hair is like one of my absolute favorite things in the world. So this is extremely concerning to me. So I think I know what's happening. I haven't changed up my hair care routine at all within the last like couple of months. I use the same products, same routine, you know. What I think is happening is I just moved from a place that has hard water to the place that I'm at now has soft water, and I don't think my hair is handling it well. Like the first couple of weeks that I was here, I did notice that my hair was getting really soft and I was like, oh, this is awesome. This is really good for my hair. But then within the last month, it's taken a turn and like I feel like it is getting worse every day. So I think it's a water issue for my hair. Just this sudden change is, my hair's just not loving it. So for my self-care, what I am gonna do is some really in-depth hair care, and I'm actually going to really cleanse my hair with a clarifying shampoo. I was reading online like what to do, because apparently this has happened to other people too, what to do with the transition from hard water to soft water, and all of a sudden your hair starts to crap out. So a lot of people on Reddit have actually gone through the same thing and were sharing their advice. So everyone was saying number one thing is clarify shampoo cleanse. So I got this one, the L'Oreal Everpure. I actually really like this line. I've used a lot of these products before, including this one. So we're going to use this. And then I don't know anything about keratin, but I feel like this will be good to use after for the conditioner. It's the Pantene Pro-V Miracles. It's supposed to help damaged hair, which I feel like my hair is damaged right now. It's been really brittle lately, and it's been getting like kind of hard to brush out knots, which normally that doesn't happen. So that's kind of how I can tell that like something's kind of wrong. Oh, and the most important part is, because it is a water issue, I'm not using the shower water, and I'm gonna use this jug of distilled water, like washing my hair in a bucket kind of style. Let's get to it, and let's hope this does something good for my hair, because I'm stressing. I just got done doing my skincare, and you would not believe it. So as I take out the serum, I pour some in my hand, you know, I'm about to put it on my face. I notice as I'm putting the lid back onto the serum bottle that there's like a little like black speck in there. So I was like, okay, let me go fish that out. That's not supposed to be there.
Mold chunks
everywhere. And thankfully I didn't put it on my face yet. It was still in my hand, but I use it every day. So who knows how long those mold chunks were there, but yeah, that's wonderful. Mold in my skincare. How's your day going? We're gonna do a sheet mask first, and then we're gonna do some red light therapy, and then afterwards I'm gonna do some like gua sha and facial massage. I always notice that like after doing like gua sha, my face looks really good. So maybe it's in my head, but let's go snatch that jawline. Okay, I wanted to give you guys a little hair update. So it is the next day. Yesterday, I washed my hair with the distilled water and the clarifying shampoo. And honestly, I'm gonna say that it helped. It did help a little bit, but we're not out of the weeds yet, because look at this. I put in oil twice on my ends today, and we are still super dry. So I think that kind of puts me on a hair rejuvenation or hair health journey, because I definitely gotta fix this and do something about it. But we at least know that the distilled water and the clarifying shampoo made a positive change, and we'll just go up from here. Oh, also, I wanted to show you guys, I mixed pineapple and a coconut LaCroix, and it's okay. It's not amazing because I don't like coconut very much, but it's okay. So if you like pineapple and coconut, try it. You'll probably like it. The beginning of the month is a great time to start fresh with some new monthly goals, or to reassess where you're at with some current ones. Honestly, right now, I'm at the point where I need to make some fresh goals, because I haven't really been currently working on any. The biggest thing for me this month is I guess my biggest focus, my biggest goal is going to be consistency and self-discipline. I know I talk about those things a lot, but it's because I don't have them and I'd like to. No, for real though. Actually, one of my, I don't want to call it a goal, but just something that I am going to really focus on for this month of October is not quitting. If you've been subscribed to me for a while, you know I do that. I literally just started like a series and I came out with the first episode. So that means I have to keep up with it because like I can't just stop after one. Like that's ridiculous. So a big focus of mine this month is focusing on creating content and not giving up. But my actual goal for that is to post my Glow Journals episode every Friday. So that's an actual tangible goal. Which, speaking of goals, I don't know if you guys know this, but goals should be, they're called SMART goals. That means they should be specific, measurable,
Attainable?
relevant, and time. So for me to just say, I'm gonna not give up, that's not really a goal, but posting every Friday for the entire month is. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on. I truly think that confidence can be built by building trust within yourself. And how do you build trust within yourself? Is you stay disciplined and you keep your own word. And confidence is something that I really want to build up within myself, but I kind of realize that I have to prove to myself that I am trustworthy in order to build that confidence within myself. Because honestly, you can sit around and do affirmations all day. Like, I believe I'm beautiful. I believe I'm smart and capable. But confidence is more than like skin deep. I think confidence, like, obviously, I don't know. That's why I'm on this journey to figuring it out, right? But yeah, in order to build confidence, I think you need trust within yourself. And to build trust within yourself, I think you need to keep your own word. And so for me specifically, I'm not very consistent with almost anything except for my bad habits, ironically. And I have a hard time with self-discipline. So I think that if I can stick to those things and show myself, hey, I actually can do this, then that would be a bigger confidence boost than just like telling myself I'm pretty, I'm smart, and that people like me. Alright guys, this is the end of the October reset vlog. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching and for coming along and just hanging out as we just do some productive start of the month things, getting us ready for a great productive October. And yeah, I hope this inspires and like motivates you guys to just have a great October. Take good care of yourself and those around you and romanticize this amazing fall season. So thank you guys again. Please like, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.